Hey, can you guess what I'm doing? Yep, you got it right. Eating the medley. Anyhow, let's go and I'll show you how I prepare it. Hello there, it's Adriana. Welcome back. Today I am in the kitchen and I'm going to take you through the process of how we cook the veggie medley. Yep. Almost forgot. Yeah, baby. We're going to get this pepper here off our beautiful plant. Thank you, baby. Yep. Here we go. Now let's go inside. That completes it. Straight off the plant. Alrighty, today we are using kale, squash, zucchini, peppers, avocado, bell pepper. For the spices, we have lemon pepper. I'm gonna use some dill. And for the sauce, I choose honey mustard. And I'm gonna add a bit of water to the honey mustard to make the sauce. You see the kale, squash, zucchini, peppers, avocado, green peppers of choice for today. Let's begin. First and foremost, I need you to heat your stove. I have mine on between number 5 and 6. It's an electric stove, as you can see. You're going to take your skillet. I have my skillet there. You're going to get the water, which we saw. We're going to get some water and then we're going to pour the water just like that in the pan. See? Alright, we're going to let that heat up. All the veggies have been washed, so we don't have to worry about that right now, but be sure to wash your veggies. I'm just cutting off the ends of the zucchini. And we're going to just chop. We're just chopping. Just chopping. Same thing for the squash. We're just chopping. I like to chop up all my zucchini and squash first. Again, cutting the edges off the zucchini. And we're just chopping. We'll continue to chop. Have the squash. We're chopping. I already cut the tails off of the squash. I cut the ends off, so that's why there isn't any ends on there, but you know, you get it. Okay, so there we have it. We have our zucchini and squash chopped. So there we have this. This is chopped and ready. And keep in mind that you have this skillet on the stove heating up your water. And I'll take you guys and show you what I mean, because I hear it sizzling in the back. 1 second. Yeah, see, this was the reason for me saying preheating the stove, because you can get that water starts to boil and sizzle in the pan, and that's what you want. That's what you want. So we kind of like steaming the veggies. So let's go put our veggies inside and then take it from there. And while we wait, again, welcome you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for letting me know what you would like to see. I appreciate your feedback. Yeah, we're waiting for the veggie medley. As you see, it was simple, beautiful, and it's gonna taste delicious. Feel free to add any spices or any pink Himalayan salt that you want to use. Substitute any of these veggies for whatever you choose. This is what we're using today. Simple enough. This is what you asked for. That's what you got. Alright. Back with our veggies. I'm going to take the bell pepper and just cut. And guys, we're only using half of a bell pepper. I'm just chopping. And then I'll cut it again. See? Like that. Alright. We're only using half a bell pepper. And I cut up 4 zucchini and squash total. But you can use 2. But yeah, so we're gonna take our zucchini, squash, and bell pepper that we chopped, and we're gonna put it in the pan so it can start steaming and doing what it do. You know, see, you can hear it. Yes. So all we doing, putting it in there like so. Give it a little shaky, you know. Got my water. I'm gonna keep my water on hand because I'm about to crank this baby up. And turn the fire up too. We turned it up between the, oh, right on the 8. So we turned the fire up to 8. Keep your water on hand. Alright, we have to go finish chopping up our ingredients. Alright, babies. Our little area is starting to get clear. Anyhow, we got our jalapeno. I'm just gonna chop me a few pieces of jalapeno off of there. As such. And then I'm gonna take this cow horn pepper that you seen freshly came off of the plant itself. I'm gonna chop me a few pieces of that off that beautiful pepper that was given to us by nature. All praise and honor. It's a beautiful thing. I'm just chopping up my little peppers, you know. It's going to be added spice to it. So if you don't like spice, just don't add the peppers. Alright. Y'all want to see this? I know y'all want to see this. So let's see what we can do. Alright. Yes. So I'm going to add the peppers to the mix. We got our peppers, zucchini, squash, and also bell peppers. The only thing we don't have in it yet is our kale, which we have right here. Alright, so at this point, you hear the sound. You hear it. I'm going to give it a good shake. Give it a real good shake. You're going to take the water that you had on hand. You hear that? Alright. Now you're going to find the top for this. And you're going to put it on your pan. Yep. There we go. We got the top on it. We'll come back and check on it. Now while we wait for our zucchini squash pepper medley to cook and do what it does, get a little bit more tender, we're going to take the kale. I've already washed this kale now. It's already been cleaned and partially prepped. Anyhow, I'm not going to use big chunks of kale inside my food like that, which I don't have a problem with it, but that's not what we're doing today. You're going to just chop it, rough chop the kale, you know? I'm showing you right here. That's it. And we'll add the kale when the food is close to being done. Because we don't want our kale to be too soft and tender or overcooked. We want it to be just right, steamed. We want all our veggies to be steamed. If your veggies don't have a crunch, then you cooked them too long. Alrighty, it's been about 2.5, 3 minutes now. We gotta check on our medley. We can't let it overcook. Get a little stir in there. Taking the fork and I'm going like that, touching the bottom of the pan. See? Like you're raking the veggies so you don't break them up. We want to keep them whole. This motion will minimize your veggies from getting broken up. Alright, now at this point we're going to add our spices. And for the spices we have dill, as I said before. And sprinkle it around. Excuse me. And take the lemon pepper. I'm just going to give it a little rake again. I'm raking it up. Alright. I'm going to take a little bit of that water that we got on hand. And I'm going to place it back on the stove. Alright. We want to turn our fire down to like number 2. And put it on number 2. And then we coming back right here. We're going to place our lid on this beautiful medley right here. Alright. And then we're going to take the kale. Now it's time for the kale. And then we have the kale. We're going to add the kale last. This is beautiful. Beautiful. We saved the best for last. There's so many benefits in this beautiful leafy green. I thank goodness for the creation. Now we're going to take our kale and we're going to put it inside our pot with our zucchini, squash, and pepper medley. Let's go. Alrighty, our zucchini squash medley is still on 2. Just, you know, marinating. We letting all the flavors and everything unite. And we're going to take this kale. And we're going to feed it to the medley. I'm gonna feed the kale to the medley. Alrighty, and raking again. Some of you may not like that little scrapey sound, but look. Alright. Now, I'm turning the fire back up to around number 5. You're putting it back on 5. And then we're going to add the top back to it. There we go. I'm going to let it cook a little bit more, another 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep your eye on it, keep your ear out for it. Don't let your veggies get overcooked, especially the zucchini and squash. I'm about to rake it up again. About to rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. All right. It has been 3 minutes. We're just gonna rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. You can turn your fire off. Now it's pretty much time to serve it. So we're gonna just let it sit on the heat with the fire turned off. Just let it sit there. I'm gonna take your sauce. I have honey mustard here. I'm gonna take some water. My water I had on hand. I'm gonna add a little bit of water into the honey mustard. I'm gonna take my fork and I'm gonna just give it a good stir. And that's just kale on the fork. It'll be okay. It's the beauty of vegetables. You don't really have to worry about cross-contaminating things. Oh yeah, see? Adding water to it gave it a little more looser, saucier consistency. Sometimes I add in tahini, but today I'm not going to do all that. Yes, I did just lick the fork. And now I'm going to wash it. Alright. At this point, get my bowl. We want to eat. This is enough for 2 servings. So, we just going to pour us up some in the bowl. See, this is what we have left. It's enough for another serving. Place the lid back on the pot for the leftovers. At this point, y'all, I'm taking mine off of the heat. One more thing though. We gotta get our avocado. I'm just gonna get the avocado, slice some little slits in it. I'll take a spoon. And I'm gonna just take the spoon and do like such. And you can see the avocado starts to raise from its skin. I'm gonna just put it on in there. I like to get everything. But yep, and there you go. Just put that in the middle, it'll be fine. And here's what we working with the avocado added to the mixture. We're gonna get our sauce here. Don't forget our sauce. It's our little honey mustard sauce. We're gonna just take it, and I'm gonna just go a little drizzly line on it. It's enough for me. Yep. And there you have it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. And guys, I added some beans to mine. That's just what I decided to do. But anyhow, yeah, you can add beans to it. Whatever you want to add, just go ahead and feel free to do it. But you get the idea. Yeah, so if you don't like tangy sauce, then try using a different sauce. Don't make the honey mustard sauce that I make in this video. But I'm very thankful for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna just eat until it's done. Nope. Well, we out.